All right, so that's about MRPL. But moving on to the next query, this one is coming from Chirag Thakkar, who has written to us from Hyderabad. Their query is on ICICI Bank. They want to know what's the short-term target that they should be looking at for this company. They're looking at a period of just about 5 days. They say that they shorted heavily on ICICI Bank, buying a put option of 1,300 rupees. They've already lost about 40,000 rupees due to the rate cut and spike in Nifty that we saw on Friday. So yes, they want to know what's the kind of target they should look at for a 5-day period, whether they should hold or book their losses. Aditya, let me come to you for this one.
Morning. Thanks for having the show. I didn't get they shorted put or they bought put.
Shorted heavily on put.
Sorry,
They have shorted.
they've shorted put. Okay, fine. So they are basically they're looking at an upside in the stock, and then I think that should be the right strategy because overall stock looks like it's after consolidation should head higher from here on the upside for next 5 days. My sense is stock can test levels of 1420 on the upside. On the downside, immediate supports are at 1380. So if you have shorted put, you're looking at a decay on the premiums. And my sense is if the stock doesn't fall from here on and heads to 1420, you should definitely see a decay in the put premiums going ahead. So you can stay put there. On the cash side, look at a stop loss at 1380 on the downside. And on the upside, closer to 1420, 1430, you can actually look to square off your positions on the puts that you have shorted.
Okay, so that's the technical view coming in on ICICI Bank. But the next question is also for you, Aditya. One of our viewers has a query on large cap IT stocks which are gaining momentum over the last 5 to 7 trading sessions. The likes of HCL Tech, TCS and Infosys. The viewer is asking whether it is a dead cat bounce or it is likely to continue going forward, and he wants your suggestion on either of those two, HCL Tech or TCS. Which one would you prefer?
Shisha, I don't think so. It's a dead cat bounce, honestly, because if it had to be a dead cat bounce, we are witnessing it for more than a week now, the kind of a rally in the IT stocks. And when chips are down, usually people don't look at these sectors, and then usually those are the sectors which start to outperform. So for an IT as a sector, I don't think so. It's a dead cat bounce. It's a slow and steady up move. I don't think so. It's going to go up one way as well. It will continue to face some kind of a volatility, but overall, my sense is one should allocate some kind of an money to IT stocks and especially large cap IT names, as he's also asking for, because mid cap IT stocks have already rallied a bit. So both HCL Tech and TCS look interesting to me. Between the two, I would prefer an HCL.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.